para protektahan, no? As sabi na, AFP protects the state and the people. So, hindi pa ba pasok sa rules of engagement yun para makialam na directly ang warships natin, knowing na may warship naman dun sa kabila?
All units of the armed forces when out on patrol missions are covered by the rules of engagement that are given by higher headquarters and amplified by the unified commanders. The rules of engagements are a set of rules that governs the use of force for mission accomplishment. The Chief of Staff has been very clear that in all operations in the West Philippine Sea, to include Bajo de Masinloc, the use of force for mission accomplishment is not authorized without infringing on the universal right of self-defense, defense of one's unit, or defense of others. That provides also sufficient flexibility for the ground commander when to act.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, hindi pa na-breach yung ROE na yun, no? Matrigger na makialam na authorized use of force, yung yesterday's incident. Kasi parang at this point, parang hypothetical kung nasaktan or hindi kasi hindi naman tinama. Tama ba, sir?
Again, the rules of engagement are given by higher headquarters to govern whether force is allowed for mission accomplishment or not. And the guidance has been very clear in conducting our RORE missions, in conducting our patrols, maritime patrols, air surveillance flights. The use of force is not authorized except for self-defense situations.
So to be clear, sir, handa tayong gumamit ng puwersa, hindi lang natin ginamit.
We do not dictate on the smallest details. We leave sufficient room for interpretation by the ground commanders. Suffice it to say, all the rules of engagements are bound by international law, within the bounds of international law and domestic law, and appropriate guidance from the national command authorities.
Thank you, sir.